So welcome back to my channel. We are going to talk about Chef's Plate a bit today. We tried to do a full three meals like we did with the other companies, but the first box got here all busted up, so we only tried 1 or 2 meals out of it. And the second box got here, and some of the meals, they weren't even what we asked for. So they don't deserve a full review. But we did score everything, and we're going to compare it to Chef's Plate and HelloFresh. So here we go.
Round 2. Fight!
So category number 1, price over value. We have the score right over here. Yep, it did score lower than the others. Why? Well, the price was pretty good, but the meal itself was quite ordinary. So right now we're going to talk about the online menu. Pretty good. So we gave it the same thing as HelloFresh. Website itself, not confusing and easy to follow through and check your orders out, so it scored pretty good. Overall taste and freshness, good. I mean, no complaints here. 8 out of 10 is very respectable. Now the bang for the buck portion. The portions were small if you compare it to Good Food and HelloFresh. You were, okay, yeah, we had a good meal, but 2 hours later, you're stuffing your face with potato chips. So overall preparation of the food, same thing as the other 2 companies, so no higher, no lower. Read the recipes before you start cooking, or else it will get confusing. This is where they lost a lot of points. I don't know about you, but if I had a company and a customer calls me up, don't argue with them. Let them talk. They kept cutting my wife off and not listening to what she had to say when we had problems with the company itself, either with the box being delivered in the wrong place, or not even receiving the right recipes, or even getting a busted up box. So yeah, 4, and we are generous on this one. Delivery, as stupid as the other 2. On this one, they managed to catch up a bit on points. Basically, environmentally friendly. Yeah, the bags are made of paper, so you don't feel like killing as many trees, or dolphins, or elephants, or rhinos, or planets, And for promotion, yeah, they do have good promotions. You send an email and then that person gets a free box. So yeah, that's pretty good for your first box. If it's not busted up, or if you get the right recipes, or it's delivered at the right door. So now you know why they didn't score this high. Overall average, as you'll see on the next slide coming up.
It sucks, man.
So after doing a little bit of research, my wife found Miss Fresh and Yum. Yum is apparently the cheapest meal kit delivery service out there. We're going to give it a shot, see how it goes, but we might not get that box. The reason is Yum.ca belongs apparently to Good Food. Maybe it's a generic brand sort of food, I don't know. But the thing is, once you deal, for example, with Good Food or HelloFresh or Chef's Plate, say you want another box, like a free box for another person living in the house. Well, they won't. It's 1 per household. So basically, we're going to try Yum.ca or Miss Fresh. And if we get the box, we'll review them and compare them. So there you have it. That was the honest review for 3 different companies that give the same type of service, which is meal kit delivery services. The overall idea on all of the companies we've tried so far, you go online, pick 3 recipes, you'll get a box. In that box, you get 3 bags, and in each bag is a meal that you ordered. It's all the ingredients. You cook it up yourself. It's like going out every single time when you have a nice little meal at home, and it's really delicious. It's different from what you usually cook, and it's quite enjoyable. So that's it for now, and now for time for the sponsorship. The magic happens at Magic Fills 76. Magic Fill 76. It's where the magic happens.